The last time I uploaded a full content for you to watch and learn something out of it was about a month ago, right here, how to design a Liquify background. Yeah, I showed you how to do that. But prior to that particular video, I was having some personal health problems, and I just decided to upload that kind of video before I leave, because it's really been long. I've uploaded a video. If you check my previous video, it's about 2 months ago, and if I should leave you here without uploading or giving you any content, it will be weird. I mean, yeah. So I was down in health, but thank God I'm back here again. Though I cannot say that I'm 100% fit right now, but it feels good to be back here and give you another content. So today I'm going to show you how to actually improve upon this Liquify background that we've learned how to design the previous day. I'm actually going to show you how to improve on it, right? So if you've not watched this particular video over here yet, then apparently you need to watch it before you come back to this one that I'm going to show you today. And in this particular one, we are going to use PicsArt application just like we used the other day, and I hope you're ready for that. Without further ado, let's go into it. So quickly, I'm going to open up my PicsArt application. I've already loaded the design sample over here already, and I hope you know how to do that already from the previous video. So at this point, what you have to do to actually improve upon your design over here is to add blendness to it. Okay, just add blendness to the design, and that is going to do the magic for you. So you tap on effects. So from effects, you see blur. All right, I've already selected it. By default, yours might be on something different. Let's say simple, FS, black and white, or something like that. But you just have to select the blur over here, right? So once you select it, tap on this. First one is on none. Tap on blur, and this is what you're going to see. So tap on it again, then you can adjust the strength of the blurriness, the fading. But the fading, I don't have anything to do with, so I just have to deal with the blurriness. And you don't have to increase the blurriness that much high. Just add a little bit of blurriness to it. It's like adding a Gaussian blur in Photoshop. It's something like that, and I hope most of you know about Photoshop actually. So just add a little bit of blurriness to the design, and it is going to make it look real. Okay, it's going to make it look popping, right? So this is what we are going to have over here, and I think this is okay. Now let's assume we've cleared off everything. So I'm going to undo everything. This is how the design is going to look like. The one we did previously, this is how it was looking like. But what we did now was to add blur effect to it. So we tap on effects, then we go to the blur, then we add this blur effect to it. The 15 is too much. We just need something a little bit like this. Okay, if you want to add lens blur too, you can tap on lens blur, and you're going to add a lens blur to it. It's pretty much simple, right? So I think this video actually helped you. Okay, once you are done, as usual, you just tap on the download icon over here, and voila, it's going to be saved in your gallery just like that. Okay, so I think this video actually helped, and if you want more content, I mean advanced content, even more than this one, then just go ahead and give this video a like, and also tap on that share button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, right? I've actually missed all of you here, because look, it's been like a whole month I've not uploaded any content that will actually give you a boost. Like it's been rough. Yeah, it's been rough, but thank God I'm back here again. Yeah, I can't wait to give you content that will actually push you up, right? If you equally have any requests, just leave it in the comments section. Who knows, that might be the next tutorial I'll bring on board. So just go ahead, leave your requests in the comment section, and I'm going to check everything out, right? So this is Gozo here from Serene, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bless up.